The Rack Shop is proud to present this 2007 through 2018 JK, that's the 4-door Unlimited Wrangler. So we've just installed quite a few components, but this is primarily the Rhino-Rack Pioneer backbone system. So that consists of the Pioneer platform, 72 inches in length by 56 inches in width, the RJKB1 backbone. Again, that's for the 4-door unit. There's also a 2-door application as well. And then there's a few other spacers and components in addition to the RCL6 leg, which is the low profile leg set. Here we have the internal pieces of the backbone. So the backbone, what it does, it takes the weight from the platform, instead of putting it onto the fiberglass roof, transfers it down to the tub of the Jeep, allowing you to safely carry 165 pounds on road and have a static weight capacity capable of carrying rooftop tents and its occupants. So this option does come with a couple leg options. This is the low profile leg shown here, but they do have a taller version that allows you to have a quick release feature. Both of them have locks included with the leg set. Now the platform is pretty great. It's low profile, sleek aerodynamic design. There are T-slots on the top and bottom side of the leading and trailing edges. If noise is a concern, there's a wind fairing that can be purchased, or rubber strips that can fill in those lateral T-tracks, which does help with noise reduction. Anywho, this has been a quick walk around for this vehicle. For more details, pictures, or to purchase this complete system with just a couple clicks, please visit the link in the description below. And that's going to be it for this one, but like always, thanks for watching.